Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest tips and tricks to help you get the most out of your Android device. In today's video, we're going to show you how to copy a Facebook friend profile link on Android. Copying a friend's profile link on Facebook can be incredibly helpful, especially if you want to share their profile with others. Here's how you can do it in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Open the Facebook app. First, you need to open the Facebook app on your Android device. If you haven't already signed in, enter your login credentials and sign in. Step 2. Search for your friend's profile. Next, you'll need to search for your friend's profile. You can do this by typing their name into the search bar at the top of the app. Step 3. Tap the 3 dots in the right corner. Once you've found your friend's profile, tap the 3 dots in the top right-hand corner of the app. Step 4. Choose Help Your Friend. From there, select Help Your Friend. This will bring up a list of options to help your friend, including Copy Link. Step 5. Copy the link down the list. Scroll down the list and select Copy Link. The link to your friend's profile will be copied to your clipboard. And that's it. Those are the simple steps to copy a Facebook friend profile link on Android. By following these steps, you can easily share your friend's profile with others or save the link for future reference. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or if there's anything else you'd like to see us cover in a future video, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.